If balloon garlands aren't really your thing, but you still want a beautiful backdrop that's budget friendly, then this one's for you. Welcome back to 𝐂𝐴VORmart. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create this exact backdrop step by step. I started off with our round arch because it gives a modern, very romantic silhouette, and you can pretty much decorate it any which way you want. Once the backdrop was assembled, we went ahead and fed the velvet drapes through the top bar of the arch and then secured them to each side with a bit of foam pool noodle. We just took your everyday pool noodle and cut it up into small pieces. The ends we put on the sides of the arch and zip tied them so that they were secured. And then we used the remaining pool noodle on the top of the arch so that we could attach the florals and the greenery to it. What's really cool about using the foam pool noodle is you can easily use zip ties, safety pins, or even put the flower stems directly in the pool noodle. The foam is surprisingly sturdy. Once we had our foam pieces in place, we started off with a eucalyptus garland and just draped it over the top and secured it in different areas with safety pins. Next, we took our hanging wisteria stems in burgundy and just kind of placed them throughout the arch, trying to give it as much symmetry as possible. However, the focal point of the arch is going to be this draped feature, so we did lean the clusters on this side just a little bit more. I felt like the flowers needed a little bit more pop, so we added in a bit of the white hanging wisteria as well. I think we only did about 3 branches, and with the burgundy we did 5. And then finished off the ends and a little bit of the top with some single stem faux white roses. And those we just poked directly into the foam of the pool noodle, and they are totally secure. The best thing about this backdrop is anybody can do it, and it truly is budget friendly. And it is renter friendly, so it's something that you could try to assemble the day before as much as possible and just bring to a venue, or you could simply set up at the venue and be able to take it down. And you won't be scrambling and worrying about any popped balloons before your event. And depending on your venue, you could add candles or a statement rug or even more florals or some pedestals down at the bottom just to give it even more of a pop. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.